Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. In this next step, we're going to cut out our triangle. Pins could shoot up. You get to the top, you can just hold this over like this, like a nice even point. Cut the bottom across the hemline. And then you want to remove all your pins. And open up your triangles and see how they are. Looks like everything cut perfectly. And then you want to take your scraps, and if you have something that has a design, I suggest holding on to your scraps, because what we're going to do later on is we're going to cut out certain parts and make little patches on the rest of our skirt so that the inner strips match with the outside shorts.